Hey everybody, where's this microphone? I don't want
microphone.
Yeah, okay.
It's microphone.
Hey everybody, I'm Adam.
And I'm Katie.
And today we're in a place called Queen Creek, which is in the outskirts of the Superstition Mountains. And our mission is to climb a little bit of this and a little bit of that. What we're gonna start with is gonna be up there. And it's a place, it's called the Renaissance Tower. And you can hear all these cars driving by because we're pretty close to the road. But then after that, we want to try to take it down over here. And then you can see just the top of that over there. That is called the Trident. And it's 3 pitches, which is the most that we'll ever have done in a row, which will be really cool. First one's only 110 feet, but it's all trad, which means I have to place all the gear, which will be a fun little adventure. Anyway, we'll see what we end up getting done today. It did rain a little bit yesterday, so we're gonna see what's dry. That's why we want to start up there where it looks very dry. And that's enough blathering on for now. Let's get to it. That's the tower right there. And this is not a trail. I mean, it kind of is.
Yeah.
But you know, climbers trails and regular trails are completely different standards for what you can walk on.
Totally.
Well, here we go. We're almost there. It's So we're almost there, and this turned into a little bit of a more of a scramble than a hike. You got this, babe. My backpack is gonna knock me off this friggin' thing. Right there.
Different burritos.
All right. On that way, and I think it's pretty much like right there.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Cool beans, here we go. I'm gonna say that like every single time I close out a shot. Ew. Okay, right there. Okay, so here we are.
Here we are.
This is called the Renaissance Tower. It is 110 feet high, and it is a trad climb, and it is 5.9. And holy crap, was that an approach. Look at all these little cliffs that we had to manage our way up. All the way from down there. Basically straight up. Pretty good times, pretty good times.
Yeah, adventure climbing for sure. Now that we're warmed up.
Yeah. Let's go up, 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 up. So we're gonna follow this crack right here. And I'll put the GoPro on my head so you guys can see a little bit of what's going on. So maybe it'll be good. Let me say it again. Cool beans, let's go.
Beans.
Let's get to it. How about we place a piece, huh? Actually, wait till we're up there. All right. So, gonna eventually have to put a piece in. Let's put it up here. That looks like a big chunker. Maybe I can put that giant one in here. Oh yeah. I hope I don't need this later. This thing is huge. I think this would take a 4 better. Yeah. All right. Clipping. Yup. Okay. I gotta place another piece, huh? Oh yeah, I could put a nut right there. I'm gonna try a nut. Where are the nuts? Oh, there they are. Yeah, that's pretty good. Clipping. Fuck yeah, dude, first time. All right, now I guess I'm safe. I'm gonna try to climb up more. I'm at the top. All right. Woo! Damn, this is a hell of a view. Whew. Well, that was an adventure. Now we gotta get Katie up. Hello down there! Katie! Are you ready?
Yeah, I gotta put my shoes on.
Woohoo!
Are you okay?
I'm good, man.
Don't pull me over.
Okay, sorry. You're almost there. All you have to do is grab and step.
What did you do?
Hold on, wait. All right, guys. We got her up. She say something about it.
This is terrifying. I think I'm gonna have to live up here now because I'm not going anywhere. But it's a really nice view, which is awesome.
Woo!
Woo!
You can't get this view unless you climb up to the top of this friggin' thing.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Look at how far down it goes. Ooh, baby.
Bricks up here. Okay, hi everyone. So our GoPro just died. Sorry about that. But I just wanted to say that this is like the hardest, scariest climb I've ever done, I think, because I don't really do long routes a lot, and it's a 5'9".
She's
and
scared
that's like,
of getting up high on these things.
Yeah.
And it's not really because she's incapable of climbing it. There's not really any good. It's just one of those irrational fears of being up high and possibly falling when you probably won't.
So if you guys all out there think that we're just crazy for doing this, I think we're crazy too. I'm right there with you. It's like, there is fear, it exists. You just kind of have to conquer it. And I kind of did that. I'm really excited.
You definitely did that. Look at where you are. High five. Do the 10 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
My hands are so tired, so pumped.
I'm freezing cold because I've been up here for like 40 minutes trying to get her up it.
Yeah.
And for some reason I didn't wear a shirt even though it's the middle of winter because the sun feels
really
warm when it's not blowing wind. And when you're up
Yeah.
this high, the wind doesn't stop blowing.
Yeah. So we're not done yet though.
We still have to get back down and we might still go climb another tower later after eating some lunch. Who knows?
Yeah.
I don't know. This one was 110 feet. The next one is supposed to be like 250 feet. So maybe we'll save that for another day.
Yeah, maybe.
But anyway, what a great day. What a beautiful place.
It's a beautiful day for it.
This is Clear Creek. Never heard of it before. We're in this.
Queen Creek.
Queen Creek. Oh, shit. Yeah, Clear Creek is in a different part of Arizona.
Yeah.
That's a deep water solo.
Yeah.
Queen Creek.
Queen Creek
Superstition Mountains.
Kind of, yeah.
Kind of, like outskirts of them. Yeah. So that's a lot of, we always just kind of just keep talking. We never know how to just shut up.
I don't know how to stop. So
all right, so
we're gonna
see you
stop
later.
here.
We got a lot going down to business to do.
We gotta go down. We'll meet you down there. We'll
Yeah, we'll be back in the van.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you there.
Okay, bye. Oh my God, you're going so fast. We did it! We did it.
Okay, we made it back. That approach was a friggin' thing.
A doozy.
It was a doozy. So we're kind of pooped, and I think that our plans for the remainder of the day are not to climb. We're just gonna go hike down into that canyon and see what the snowmelt has done with the water, because it was dry the last couple of times we climbed down there. And we hear waterfalls, and when we were up there we could see waterfalls, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's going to be probably it, other than a couple of shots of what we see down there. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And we'll be climbing more towers and having more fun, and probably bringing more than just one camera that's going to die along the way.
All right, guys.
Thanks again.
We'll see you next time. Woo!
In there, look in there. Look in there. Ah. Okay, bye.